I grew up in a small farm community in rural Missouri where everyone knows each other. My property is an extension of me. Seeing nature can be inspiring. I want to make things that can mold well with nature. I go to Menards on a weekly basis. Menards has everything you need, whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily professional. And that's something that I have to always look at when I'm making something. I have to use products and materials that will last. At 19, I applied for a job as an apprentice mosaicist. I knew that's what I wanted to do. You only live once, so you have to acknowledge the mark you leave. And I believe if you're aware of that, you're going to be much more intentional with every moment. Glass mosaics are just about always a challenge. If you break it down, mosaics are just tiles. But you have the ability to take different sizes, different colors, and make something astounding. I like things that incorporate water. I believe that sound is soothing. Everything you do matters, and if I've got a positive effect on all these things, then I believe that's a life well lived.